I am Sandra Barato Martinez, a chemistry student from the Universitat Jaume I, and I'm going to show you a typical day here in the Netherlands. I'm living in Leiden, and this is my house and my street. Today it is a very good day from now, and now you are going with me to my job. I will go by bike, and that's all. Hope you will like the video. Here is the office where we work in the computer. He is my supervisor Fabian working. She is Karen. Hello. And Elena. Hi. And he is Ronald, the major supervisor. And now we are going to eat, and after this afternoon I will show the work in the lab a little. Hello, so now we are in the lab, and as you see, he is working on his project. And now I'm going to do a bleaching test. Here it is the catalyst, and I'm going to test the bleaching of the catalyst in this stain textile. And after the bleaching test, we will see the results by using an spectrophotometer. We are outside from the lab. Here are the buildings of BioPartner, building 2, and I am in the building 3. Is it 3, Elena? Sí, I am in the building 3. And now we finish to work, and I am going home with the bike, and that's all. Hello. So now I'm just arrived home. Here you can see the place where we leave the bikes. But like you see, it's raining. The typical weather here. And now it's the end of the day, and she is my flatmate Anouk, so I think we will...
Hi Sandra, how are you?
How was your day?
Good, good, and yours?
Fine, fine. So that's all. We will take a drink or something. No? What do you think?
Fine, yeah.
Okay. So bye.